am Aletha with WTI, and I needed something to help with my therapy to help me to quickly heal my knee. I had knee surgery, and this product really came in use. It is an awesome product. It is by Knee Exercise Pro. It is a 2-in-1 knee pulley. So what it does is it strengthens your knee. It helps you to extend your knee. It helps you to bend your knee. It is an awesome product. I used it after my therapy and I had no problem healing in a short period of time. So whether it's a torn ACL or knee therapy, or you just need something to help you with your knee rehabilitation, this is an awesome product because you can do it from the privacy of your own home, sitting in a chair, comfortable in your own home. It's very easy to use. All you have to do is sit in a chair, install it. It has everything you need. You install it on the chair that you're sitting on, and you just use the pulley to do your knee exercises. It is very easy to use. It comes with instructions. It comes with a handy bag so you can just tuck it away, and then when you're ready to use it again, pull it out and start your knee therapy on the next day. I love it. I highly recommend it, and that is just my point of view.